Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Aesthetic sofa design has undergone a captivating transformation in recent years, blending form and function in truly innovative ways. Contemporary designers have embraced minimalism, favoring clean lines and understand elegance. These sofas often feature sleek, low-profile frames and muted color palettes, creating a sense of spaciousness and tranquility in living spaces. One of the striking trends in aesthetic sofa design is the integration of mixed materials. Designers are skillfully combining materials like leather, velvet, wood, and metal to create visually appealing contrasts and textures. This infusion of different elements not only adds depth to the sofa but also makes it a focal point in any room. Modular and customizable designs are gaining popularity, offering homeowners the freedom to configure their sofas to suit their specific needs and preferences. These versatile pieces often come with detachable sections, adjustable headrests, and even built-in storage catering to both comfort and practicality. Innovations in sustainability have also influenced sofa designs. Many designers are option for eco-friendly materials and production process, ensuring that aesthetics align with environmental responsibility. Bold and electric color choices have emerged as a means of self-experience in sofa design. Vibrant eye-catching hues or patterns serve as artistic statements infusing personality and vibrancy into living spaces. Lastly, in ergonomic considerations have played a pivotal role in sofa design with an emphasis on comfort and support. Features like deep seating, plush cushions, and ergonomic contours are prioritized to enhance the overall relaxation experience. In conclusion, today's aesthetics of a design is a testament to the fusion of artistry and functionalities. These sofas not only serve as comfortable seating but also as a design elements that reflects the taste and personalities of homeowners, elevating the aesthetics of their living spaces. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.